Welcome to the best product review channel. Top 5 electric hot pots are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best electric hot pots from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these are good to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. SEAAN Electric Hot Pot Grill Pan Indoor Korean BBQ Teppanyaki Grill, Shabu Pot. For overall performance and ease of use, this electric hot pot is our top pick. It's a perfect choice if you always invite people to your home for a hot pot party. This product makes a good addition to your cooking tools. The hot pot and the entire units are 11.42 inches and 20.47 inches in diameter. It is large in size, allowing you to feed up to 6 people. You can use it not just for boiling or stewing, but also for BBQ and grilling vegetables and shellfish, among others. We mentioned that it is easy to use since it has 2 separate adjustable temperature controls for the grill plate and the hot pot. This way, you can have 2 different heat settings simultaneously. The BBQ grill in the hot pot can also be disassembled for easy cleaning. For overall performance, this Shabu pot heats up in 8 seconds, and that's fast. The bottom of the pot also features a heat dissipation system so that it expels heat when needed and for a longer time. Number 2. 2200W 4.5L Electric Smokeless Grill and Hot Pot. When it comes to versatility and great design, this Shabu hot pot is a winner. You can use it not just for boiling, but also for grilling and cooking pancakes and other breakfast treats. With this cooking tool, you can prepare barbecue and shabu at the same time. It has a capacity of 4.5L, which is enough for up to 8 people. This super pot has been receiving many commendations for its fast and even heating. It uses a 4D energy and 3-dimensional heat conduction mode to provide a consistent thermal effect. There are 2 temperature controls in this unit, one for the grill and one for the hot pot. This is an important feature as it prevents your grilled food from getting burnt in case you need a high temperature for your pot. The overall construction of this electric hot pot is solid and durable. Made from a food-grade aluminum alloy, it does not produce harmful substances when cooking. And even if you use a high temperature for grilling, it does not produce much smoke. And when you are done cooking, you can easily remove the grill for cleaning. Make sure though to let it stay cool first before washing. Number 3. Mutiny Portable Electric Grill, 2000W Electric Indoor and Ourdoor Shabu Hot Pot. Just like the 2200W 4.5L Electric Smokeless Grill and Hot Pot, this product is also a multifunctional hot pot because it has a grill tray. However, the pot has a lower capacity of 1.6L, which is enough to feed several people. A good feature of this cooking tool is that it comes with efficient temperature control to prevent the hot pot and the grill plate to go more than 240 degrees Celsius. This works as a safety feature to prevent the heating element from overheating. Constructed using cast aluminum alloy with a non-stick finish, this electric hot pot is solid and durable. The hot pot and the grill plate have separate temperature control knobs, each with 5 heat adjustments. Easy to use and easy to clean, this electric hot pot for shabu, stock, and barbecue is great for any gathering. Number 4. 2200W 2-in-1 Electric Smokeless Grill and Hot Pot. This is one of the items worth checking out if you are looking for a cooking tool that can do BBQ and shabu at the same time, right on your dining table. But what makes this hot pot stand out is its use of 5 layers of thick plates that prevent the entire unit from getting deformed, even at a high heat of 1000 degrees Celsius. Cleaning the spot is a breeze since you can easily remove the cooking pot and BBQ drill from its base. This also allows for easy storage. To ensure the best results in the food you are cooking, you can utilize the 2 knobs for easy temperature control settings. As a multifunctional pot, you can use it to boil, stir-fry, and BBQ. This cooking tool has a diameter of 19.68 inches, while the hot pot is 9.64 inches in diameter. There's adequate space for you to prepare food for 5 to 6 people. Moreover, you don't have to wait a long time for your food to cook as it is relative heats fast and cooks fast. Number 5. Sonya Shabu Hot Pot Electric Mongolian Hot Pot. If you are just after an electric hot pot without a grilling pan, the Sonya Shabu Hot Pot is one of the best products we found. It has a large capacity of 5 liters, so up to 6 people can enjoy your mouth-watering stew or shabu. Made of stainless steel, this tabletop hot pot is quite durable. It features an internal divider that lets you cook 2 dishes at a time. It does require 1500 watts of energy to use. Moreover, it is also fitted with heat-resistant handles and anti-skid feet to keep the pot stationary. Using the stainless steel pot is also straightforward. You can easily remove the pot from the base to fill it with water or for cleaning. There are also 4 temperature control settings that you can use for best results, ensuring that you neither undercook nor overcook your dish. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product's link.